angle between two non-zero non-parallel vectors. Now by the definition of the vector cross product, vector A cross vector B is equal to magnitude of vector A, magnitude of vector B, sin theta with unit vector n. Now modulus of vector A cross vector B, now this we can write it magnitude or modulus sin theta n cap or to this now we can write it magnitude of A, magnitude of vector B, sin theta now magnitude of vector A, magnitude of vector B, sin theta times 1, unit vector it is 1. Now we are having for sin theta it is 0 is less than theta is less than 180 degree or sin theta is greater than 0. A cross B, vector A cross vector B and its amplitude, sorry, its magnitude is vector A, vector B, sin theta. Now sin theta sin theta is equal to modulus of A cross B upon modulus of A, modulus of vector B. So this is the angle between two non-zero non-parallel vectors. One is this result. Now let vector A is equal to A1 I cap plus A2 j cap plus A3 k cap and vector B is equal to B1 I cap plus B2 j cap plus B3 k cap. Now sin theta, we are having sin theta as modulus of A cross B or we can write magnitude also, okay, upon modulus of A, modulus of B. Now sin square theta, it will become some easy thing, okay. Now sin square theta is modulus of A cross B, vector A cross B, sorry, upon modulus of vector A square modulus of vector B square. Now this, now to this what we can write, now A cross B by the determinant we have done that what the result for A cross B is. You can directly put the result for A cross B here, magnitudes of A and magnitude of B, or we can do in this method, okay. So now this becomes using the determinants, okay, this becomes A2 B3 minus A3 B2 square plus A3 B1 minus A1 B3 square plus A1 B2 minus A2 B1 square upon A1 square plus A2 square plus A3 square with B1 square plus B2 square plus B3 square. Now sin theta is equal to square root of A2 B3 minus A3 B2 whole square plus A3 B1 minus A1 B3 whole square plus A1 B2 minus A2 B1 whole square. upon a1 square plus a2 square plus a3 square, b1 square plus b2 square plus b3 square. So this is the what? This is angle between two non-zero vectors and how we are going to